In this video, we will show you how to set an out of office on Outlook. With this method, you can set automatic replays when someone email you on your Outlook email. Okay, how to set up this schedule? Okay, for example, you need to open the Microsoft Outlook. If you're using Windows, just type Outlook and open your Microsoft Outlook. And in this case, you need to click Files. Okay, and then choose Settings. After you choose Settings, you can select your account here, and there is automatic replace menu. Just click this, and you can see automatic replace. Use automatic replace to let others know you are on vacation or are unavailable to respond to email. You can set your replace to start and end at a specific time. Otherwise, they will continue until you turn them off. You can see we can turn this and we can send replies only during a time period. This is for the schedule if you out of office. Just click this and you can see this is the start time when the automatic replace is applied on your Outlook email. For example, we out of office is on Saturday. Okay, for example, on Saturday and until the Sunday, okay, like this, from 7 a.m. until maybe in here we set to 12 a.m. Let's see, 12 a.m. Where is? Okay, here. For example, from 20 until 21, this is the hour is from 7 a.m. until 12 a.m. Block my calendar for this period. You can just block this and set a title for the event. For example, you set out of office. Set out of office and automatically display new invitation for event that occurred during this period. You can also tick this for display new invitation and display and cancel my meeting during this period. You can also tick this if you need. Okay, this is the message that you want to send when people sending email to you. For example, we are sorry. We are out of office right now. For example, like this, and you can add the details when you and your team is come back to office. And you can also choose send the replace only to your contacts. But if this is enough for you, you can just click save. Okay. After that, if the people is sending email to you during this period, they will send it this email to them. And that's all tutorial how to set an out of office on Microsoft Outlook. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.